Now, who's a pair of dirty dogs, huh? Who's a pair of dirty dogs? What are you doing with your little selves? You are filthy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Taste this. Oh my god, he ate it all. Filthy. I'll give you some in a sec, Louie. And filthy. Somebody's head has been underwater. He like literally stuck it there chasing something. Look at it! Look at it! Filthy dog. Louie, you want a treat? Come here. Here you go. Here's one more for Chewie. Here you go. Alright, now to get him clean. Clean dogs. How ho. Gonna get him? You gonna get him? What you gonna get? Oh, it's my bum. Alright, better get him dry.